Let's talk about one of the most famous exercises in the world, the push-up. Many of you are trying really hard, day in and day out to get stronger. You might be able to do 20, 30, or even 50 push-ups in a row, but why aren't you seeing the muscle growth you want? Why do your chest, shoulders, and arms look pretty much the same? It's a really frustrating feeling. You keep at it, you work hard, but the results just aren't there. The truth is, you're not alone. This is a very common problem. The secret isn't to do more push-ups. This isn't a game about how many you can do. The real game changer is in the small details of how you do each and every rep. Many people focus on quantity over quality, just trying to get the reps done. But a small tweak in your posture, a little change in speed, or a different way of focusing can lead to amazing results. Today we're going to break down the push-up completely and build it back up from scratch, focusing on the techniques that really help build muscle. We'll uncover simple, powerful secrets that will turn your push-up from a basic movement into a serious muscle-building exercise. By the end of this, you'll have a clear, effective plan that, if you follow it for just 30 days, will bring noticeable changes. Let's get started and unlock your true potential. Why isn't all your hard work turning into muscle? Most people do push-ups just to get them done, not to really make their muscles work. These are what I call empty reps. Your muscles aren't getting enough challenge to grow. If you're doing push-ups too fast, you're using your body's swing, not your muscles. One of the biggest mistakes is putting your elbows in the wrong way, flaring them out to the sides. This not only makes the exercise less effective, but also puts a lot of stress on your shoulder joints, which can lead to injuries. When your elbows are out wide, you're moving the work from your chest to smaller, more easily hurt muscles. Another mistake is not tightening your stomach muscles. Your hips might sag, or your butt might stick up. Without tight stomach muscles and a straight body, you lose power and risk hurting your lower back. Your body should be stiff like a board throughout the whole exercise. Many people also cheat on how far they go down, only going halfway. Partial reps only make your muscles work a small part of what they could. To fully activate your muscles, you need to lower your body until your chest is just an inch or two from the floor. If you go less than that, you're not challenging your muscles enough to make them adapt and grow. These common mistakes show the difference between a good push-up and a bad one. Let's fix them together. Let's build the perfect push-up from the ground up, starting with your hands. Place your hands right under your shoulders or a little wider, with your fingers pointing forward or slightly out. Don't just lay your palms flat, grip the floor, like you're trying to twist your hands into the ground. This action helps tuck your elbows in and gets your lats working for stability. Now get into a high plank position. Your body should be a straight line from your head to your heels. Brace your abs like you're about to get punched. Squeeze your abs and your glutes. This keeps your hips steady and stops them from sagging. This solid body line is super important. Think of your body as one strong lever. This full body tension turns the push-up into a full body strength exercise. It protects your lower back and makes sure your chest, shoulders, and triceps do most of the work. Before you even start moving, your stance should feel strong and ready. Feel the tension in your hands, your lats, your abs, and your glutes. You're not just holding a position, you're building a strong, stable base. Mastering this solid plank is half the battle. Take a moment to feel this position. It should feel challenging even before you start to move. This is the foundation of an effective push-up. Now let's move on to the actual movement. Now that your body is in position, let's talk about the movement. We're going to take out the momentum. Lower your body slowly, taking 3 seconds to reach the bottom. As you go down, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle, making an arrow shape with your body. This slow, controlled lowering is super important for building muscle. Go all the way down until your chest is almost touching the floor. Don't cut the movement short. Pause for a full second at the bottom to get rid of any bouncy reflex. Then, push up powerfully. Really push the floor away with force. At the top, squeeze your chest muscles together for 1 second. Imagine you're trying to make your pecs touch. This big squeeze makes blood rush into your muscles and helps more muscle fibers work. The full rhythm for a perfect rep is 3 seconds down, 1 second pause. Powerful push-up, 1 second squeeze at the top. This thoughtful speed keeps your muscles working harder for much longer than doing quick reps. You won't be able to do as many push-ups, and that's a good thing. Quality over quantity. 5 perfect controlled reps are better than 20 messy ones. This is the secret to making every rep count. Focus on your form, not the number. Every single rep should feel hard and purposeful. That's how you build real muscle. We've talked about the theory. Now it's time to act. Wherever you are, try this with me. Let's do 1 or 2 perfect push-ups together. Find a clear spot on the floor. No need to change clothes or warm up for hours. This is about feeling the difference. Get down. Put your hands a bit wider than your shoulders. Grip the floor and set your shoulders. Extend your legs back. Get into a strong plank. Squeeze your abs and glutes. Slowly lower your body for 3 seconds, keeping your elbows tucked in at 45 degrees. Pause at the bottom for 1 second. Feel that tension. Push up strong, then squeeze your chest at the top for 1 second. That's 1 perfect rep. It probably felt a lot harder than usual. Your chest got triceps and abs had to work in a new way. This is what effective training and muscle growth feel like. Every push-up from now on should feel like this, purposeful and focused. Now that you've felt the difference, you're ready for the next step. Next, I'll give you a complete 30-day plan to guide you to get stronger, more muscular. Your journey starts now. Welcome to your 30-day mission. This plan is built on the perfect rep technique we just learned. The goal isn't a high number of reps, it's performing high-quality reps consistently. We'll use a progressive overload approach, slowly increasing the challenge over 4 weeks. Each rep should follow a 3-1-1-1 tempo. 3 seconds down, 1 second pause, push up strong, 1 second squeeze. Work out 3 days a week, for example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This gives your muscles time to rest and recover, which is key for growth. On workout days, do a set number of sets, performing as many reps as possible with perfect form in each set. AMRAP. Never sacrifice form for extra reps. Once your form breaks, that set is over. Write down your reps for each set. Track your progress. Even a few reps are challenging and effective with this technique. If you can't do full push-ups yet, start with incline push-ups on a sturdy surface. All the rules about form and tempo still apply. As you get stronger, move to a lower surface, gradually working your way to the floor. Quality is our motto. Let's break down the weekly plan. Week 1. Focus on mastering your form. 3 AMRAP sets, 3 days a week. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. For many, a set might only be 2 or 3 reps. That's perfectly fine. Build that mind-muscle connection and record your reps. Week 2. Level up to 4 AMRAP sets, same schedule. Aim for an extra rep or 2 as you get stronger. If you started with incline push-ups, try a lower surface for your last set. Week 3. Go back to 3 sets, but after your last rep, hold the top plank position for as long as you can, a burner hold. This pushes your endurance and mental toughness. Your reps might drop, and that's okay. Focus on intensity. Week 4. 5 AMRAP sets. Your peak week. Give it your all, keeping perfect pace and form. By the end, compare your progress to week 1. You'll be amazed at your increased strength. This is your transformation. Stick to the plan, and you'll see real results. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Finish strong. Working out is only half the battle. What you do outside of your workout is just as important. Muscle growth happens when you rest, not when you're working out. Push-ups create the spark, but growth and recovery happen with proper sleep and food. You can't out-train a bad diet or not enough sleep. To build muscle, your body needs protein. Make sure to get a good source with every meal. Chicken, fish, eggs, lean meats, or plant-based options like lentils, beans, tofu, and quinoa all work well. Staying hydrated is super important. Muscles are mostly water, and even a little bit of dehydration can make you perform worse. Drink water often throughout the day. Sleep is the main time your body fixes itself. Try to get 7 to 9 hours every night. Not enough sleep raises stress hormones and stops your muscles from growing. Make sleep and good food a priority to get the best results from your 30 days. Recovery is the best tool for growth. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. We've turned the push-up into a super powerful tool for building muscles. You now know how important it is to place your hands right, keep your core strong, and keep your whole body tight. That 3-1-1-1 tempo is your new normal. You felt the difference a single perfect repetition makes. And you have a clear 30-day plan. Imagine yourself 30 days from now, stronger, more defined, and more confident. Your shirts might fit better, and you'll see those muscles pop in the mirror. More importantly, you'll have built discipline and a deeper understanding of how to work out effectively. This isn't just about push-ups. It's about building a foundation for your fitness journey. The perfect time to start is right now. Take action, follow the plan, and write down your progress. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the change. Share your results and what you learn. I'd love to hear about how you're doing. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button for more simple, effective workouts and nutrition tips. Your 30-day challenge starts now. Let's get to work.